Kung naghahanap ka ng bank para ipark yung pera mo at tumutubo siya kahit wala kang kailangang gawing missions or side quests, then let's talk about MariBank.
Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Kung bago ka sa channel ko, my name is Charm and I upload videos about personal finance, work from home stuff, and also snippets into my daily life. And just a quick disclosure lamang po, I am not a professional financial advisor and the content that I share in this video ay base lamang sa aking personal experiences, opinion, and for educational purposes only.
Sa dami ng mga digital banks ngayon at mga pa-promos and pa-hype, the real question is, alin ba yung magtatagal, yung stable, at yung hindi ka bibigyan ng sakit sa ulo? In this video, i-share ko kung bakit si MariBank is still one of my go-to banks until now. If the name sounds new, well, the service isn't. Some of you might even remember it as SeaBank. So, nag-rebrand sila last year, 2025, pero under the same company naman. It's still under CLTD, which is the company behind Shopee. And honestly, the whole transition process from SeaBank to MariBank was seamless. It was very smooth. They had to rebrand to align to their global market. So like what I said, napaka-seamless talaga ng transitioning nila. I did not have to reinstall the app. Walang perang nag-float or nawala. And I did not have to undergo re-verification process. So wala. I did not have to do anything. Kung hindi ko pa nakita na nag-iba na yung pangalan niya from SeaBank to MariBank, hindi ko pa malalaman. Why is it a daily winner? MariBank has always been one of my favorites. Ironic pa nga kasi ngayon pa lang ako gumagawa ng video about kay MariBank. So bakit siya nag-stand out for me? Number one, it's daily interest crediting. Yes, every day nakikita ko na tumutubo yung pera ko. Yung interest na earn ko every day na deposit sa account ko every midnight. So I think that's actually quite motivating, no? For me to save up more, lalo na pag nakikita ko na lumalaki yung pera ko. And the interest rate is nasa 3.25% to 3.75% per annum dito kay MariBank, which is actually mas malaki compared sa mga regular or traditional banks. Number two, it is built for everyday use. Especially if you are a Shopee user, ang dali lang mag-top up ng pera, or you can actually just use your MariBank account to pay for your Shopee orders or for your Shopee Pay Later. So, napaka-convenient niya lang gamitan for my Shopee online purchases. Plus, every time na ginagamit ko yung MariBank card ko or whenever I scan to pay with the app, meron po ako natatanggap ng cashback. And you can actually get up to 3,000 pesos na cashback every month. Ang laking savings na po nun. It's enough to pay for your milk tea, diba? Or for your coffee. Number three, yung free transfers. Yes. MariBank has 15 free transfers every week. So it refreshes every Monday, and that's a total of 60 free transfers in a month. So sobrang laking tulong na din yun. It's real savings for me. Especially ako na mahilig ako mag-transfer. I get money, my Shopee commissions sa MariBank, and then I have to transfer it over to my GoTime Bank, or if I have to transfer to my GCash or to my other bank accounts. So imagine yung nasa-save ko. Kasi every transfer for a traditional bank, kailangan kong magbayad ng 15 pesos per transfer. So talagang malaking savings na yan sa akin. And yan yung pinaka-nagustuhan ko kay MariBank as well. This is perfect sa mga small-time business owners, or if you are a freelancer like me and you need to do a lot of transfers, dito kay MariBank talagang makaka-save up ka in terms of the transfer fees. Number four, it's very simple. No gimmicks. And as I've said kanina, wala kang kailangang i-complete ng mga missions or mga side quests. It's just deposit and forget. And this works if ayaw mo ng mga complicated system. Sa iba kasi, they have promotions. Kailangan mong i-achieve itong mga goals or mga missions na to if you want to achieve a higher interest rate for your savings. So dito ka MariBank, wala silang ganun. So that's a win for my peace of mind. Number 5, actually, this is more of a bonus for me. Meron pong si MariBank na MariBank Credit, which is a credit line na pwede mong i-avail. I've had my MariBank Credit for a while na rin kasi matagal-tagal na talaga yung account ko kay MariBank dati pa since it was SeaBank. So, it's a credit line that you can use. It's a revolving credit. Pwede mo siyang gamitin anytime. You don't have to do re-verification. Anytime that you need, let's say, money for emergency, pwede mo siyang kunin at your own will. at i-transfer doon sa MariBank savings account mo. You can take multiple loans dito kay MariBank Credit. I want to talk more about MariBank Credit siguro in a different video para mas klaro and mas detailed. And another thing that I like about MariBank Credit, napakababa lang yung kanyang monthly add-on interest compared sa mga OLAs and other fintech apps available out there. Nasa 2.95% lang naman yung monthly add-on interest niya. Diba? Ang ganda. So, yes, I think basically those are the top 5 reasons why I would still choose MariBank in a heartbeat this 2026. And dami ko nakikita na maraming nagka-comment na hindi sila ma-approve dito kay MariBank Credit. Well, I guess ito lang yung ma-share ko na pwede mong i-practice or mga tips that might increase your chances of getting approved for a MariBank Credit. Keep a good record for your S loan and your Shopee Pay later. So, always pay on time. Wag na wag kang malilate sa pagbayad. Also, avoid na i-max out mo yung limit mo kasi they would also look into that. If you have an S loan offer of 20,000, siguro do not take advantage of the whole amount if hindi naman kailangan. And another thing, use your MariBank account regularly. Siguro mag-schedule ka ng automatic savings dito kay MariBank every week if you are paid on a weekly basis or twice a month if you are paid bi-weekly. So mga tipong ganon. And use your card, your MariBank card for your purchases, or you can also use your scan to pay option, depende na. Basta just make sure to use it regularly. To let them know that ginagamit mo talaga si MariBank, diba? Because you're trying to build a relationship with MariBank. So how are you going to do that if you're not going to take advantage and use their services, right? Think of it like this. Your credit score is like your reputation kay MariBank. Pinaghirapan mong buuin, nagbabayad ka on time, but one single missed payment could actually shatter everything, diba? I know ang daming mga promotions out there na nakaka-tempt naman talaga. Sobrang tataas na mga interest na ino-offer, pero they're not permanent, temporary lang naman. And you also have to meet their mga side missions or quests to avail of the promotion. And not only that, pansin ko matalas pa mag-down yung system nila. What I really like about MariBank is consistency. Hindi siya maingay, but it works. It's stable. Very seldom lang siyang magka-downtime. It's simple, very easy to use, and hindi siya hassle gamitin. So, if gusto mo lang ay safe yung pera mo, tumutubo siya araw-araw at hindi siya hassle gamitin, definitely dito ka na kay MariBank. If you want something na low maintenance pero still rewarding, MariBank is definitely worth considering. Ikaw, gumagamit ka ba ng MariBank or may iba ka pang mga digital banks na mas gusto? Comment down below. I'd love to hear what you think and your experience. And if this video helped you, then don't forget to give me a like, subscribe to this channel, and share this video to someone who might actually need it. Thank you so much for staying until the end, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!